So student, we have learned that about past continuous tense. So as you all know that there is no passive voice in future continuous tense. So now we are going to learn about the present perfect tense passive voice. The passive voices of present perfect tense. Okay. Present perfect tense. So for converting or changing all the active voice in the passive voice, we have to write first the active voices. So we can try to change those sentences. So we can try to change these sentences into passive voice. So can you tell some sentences of active voice in present perfect tense? Any one of you? Yes. I have driven a car. I have driven a car. Another sentence. So for the rules for the passive voice in present perfect tense are have been, and has been. Will be the helping verbs. So third form of the verb. So rules are object plus helping verb plus main verb plus by plus subject. Sorry. So I have driven a car. So as you all know that in active voice, after the helping verb there are always third form of the verb. The third form of the verb will be used in present perfect tense. So first of all we have to see what is object. What is the object? A car. A car is singular. So for the singular we have to use have been. For the plural, has been. For the singular we have to use has been, and for plural have been. So has been and have been for the singular and for the plural. So a car is singular. So how we will change it into passive voice?
A car has been driven by me.
A car has been. So a car has been. So the third form will remain as same. Driven will remain same. Driven by me. The subjective pronoun will be converted into objective pronoun. So He has he has killed the lions. He has killed lions.
Lions have been killed by him.
He has killed lions. So the lions are
Lions have been
lions have been. Why we are using have been? Because the object is
plural.
plural. So lions have been killed. There, if there
By him.
if there is one lion, it would have been used
Have been.
has been. So there are many lions, uncountable noun. So therefore it is plural, and we are using have been. Lions have been killed by him. So the subjective pronoun has been converted into
Object.
objective pronoun. So interrogative sentence, in interrogative, he has killed, has she made the tea? So what will
Has
has
tea
the tea
been
been
made by
made by her? Oh, sorry. Yes, we have not. Sorry, we have not. We have not played basketball in the school. So converted it into, let's try to convert it into passive voice. Okay. Kill, yes. Thank you. By him. So let's convert it into passive voice. Anyone can try?
Sir, I
We have not played basketball in the school.
Basketball has not been played by us in the school.
Very good.
Correct, sir?
Yes.
Right?
Great. Perfect. Basketball has not been
Played by us.
played.
By
So the subjective pronoun will be converted into objective. So what is the objective pronoun of the we?
us.
Yes. Us. By us. So
By, sir, by. Sir, by. By.
okay. By us in
In the
school. In a school or in the school. Okay. They have eaten the mangoes. They have eaten the mangoes.
Try again.
Anyone else? Anyone else? Except of you. Anyone else can tell? Who can convert it into passivize? So they have eaten the mangoes. Yes,
The mangoes
the mangoes
have been
have been.
eaten by them.
Why we are using have been?
That because the mango is plural.
Mangoes are plural. Eaten by
Them.
them. So the subjective pronoun of the they will be converted into objective pronoun
Them.
them. So have you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Close it.
Close it.